I'll come down to your level. I'm winding you up.
You wind us up.
What are you doing, Nana?
I'm trying. Well. Hello.
Hey, look at what she's
Look at my
doing.
nice teeth.
Look at what nice teeth. Hey.
Aren't they lovely?
Nana, have you shut up about this fine now?
Why, you let your period.
I'm saying, have you calmed down now because you went on for a good hour?
You've calmed down and you're fucking gone on, Paul.
Well, you've been gone on for the past hour.
I've gone by your opinion, like I've said. You're like fucking John the Woman. He is like John the Woman.
Right.
And all that.
No, she not.
No, I'm turned off because you're torturing us.
She not.
Iris,
Hello.
do you know him?
Oh, yeah,
No. What about him?
He got a speeding ticket.
Never.
Aye.
Why'd you have to tell her?
Hey. A
Aye.
speeding ticket?
Aye.
I was only digging 35, Nana.
Off the police.
35.
I was only digging 35.
He was only supposed to do 30.
Aye. Well, see, when he's still been speeding.
You're not allowed now.
No. I mean, it's on the cameras, man. The up above.
Do you know what, Nana? It was one of them sneaky fucking vans and I didn't see it.
Aye, well, out on the road. Plus the fact, the cameras, what you can't see is up above. And they're watching them what's speeding.
It wasn't my fault.
You know, eh? Because he's fucking daft.
Aye.
Nana, it wasn't my fault.
It wasn't his fault,
It wasn't not your fault.
but he was driving, aye.
Hey, have you urges?
35 and a 30.
I only done, Nana. I was literally gone 35.
Because you know what's going to happen.
Do you know why it wasn't my fault? Because I was going with the flow of the traffic.
No.
Well, you're not supposed. Now listen. You know what'll happen?
What?
You can't on and on. You'll be banned from driving, and that'll be your lot.
They should jail him.
Eh?
They should toss him in jail.
Toss him in jail, yeah. Okay. Hey.
You might get some peace then, wouldn't you? Nana, I was only gone 35, man. Fucking hell.
And there's a place coming up
No, they sent a letter out. I've got to fill it in and send it back.
and pay the fine.
Aye, but I'm not. They can piss off.
Aye. You have to pay the fine with the police. He's got no choice.
You what?
I'm gone on the run.
You've got to pay the fine with the police. He's got no choice.
Aye.
I'm gone on the run.
Oh, well done on the road. You'll make it worse. For her.
He says he's going to stop here.
Fucking daft, man.
He says he's going to stop here.
Aye.
Stop there.
I'll stop you, Nana.
No, not you know.
Why?
You want to be careful on there. Because the police watches me, you know.
You don't cunt.
I didn't even know. I didn't even know she's seen the camera.
I know that she's saying it now.
Oh well, I tried to hide the
Yes,
camera,
it-
but she's saying.
You see to it and get that fine paid.
Oh, I'm glad.
Nana, I'm gone to pay it.
I am.
How much is his fine?
You didn't know yet.
You didn't know it.
Oh, well, when
You get
the
points
fine,
and
then
all.
pay.
I went, Nana, give us a dance for your fans.
You know what I used to do?
Oh, I'm getting round.
The same with his father.
What?
He had a file, I forget what for. And I used to pay it to get it off his back.
Aye.
He wouldn't pay it.
Nah.
He would get locked up. He would have.